Hello? I just got out of the shower with an idea. I'm going to make an entire tune using Antidote Audio's K-Motions and Subsonic sample pack. We're going to try and make an entire track using everything they have provided to see whether it is worth the free download. So yeah, it's a free pack. So but yeah, let's just jump straight in. So trying to think of what sort of, like, I don't know, what drum, do we use the drum loops or do we just, tell you what, I do like that snare. Bet they didn't put it in there, bet. Oh wait, hang on. They didn't put it in. I am not surprised. Oh wait, unless it's a clap. Wait, am I being stupid? Oh no, there aren't any claps. We'll just use the loop. I can crop that actually. Take it out. But anyway, let's. Should we make just a little tune, or should we make like a half of a track? I don't know what to do. Anyway, we'll just go on with this. This is one of those uncut videos as well. I don't really want to cut my videos. It takes too long, and no one's really requesting that yet. So if you really want smoothly edited stuff, then I can do that, but there will be less videos, basically. Anyway, so let's just get on with this. This needs to be 175. This needs to be, yeah, cool. That's what I'm thinking. Right, let's get some perks. I need to turn my monitors up a little bit. Alright. Haha. Maybe that. See, I'm just going to alter the loop because I feel like it might be cooler if it was. It's all about experimenting. Like, people, I guess you won't be baffled by this. I hope not. But a lot of people work like this. You just sit and muck about. Right, now we are going to use Serum, but I'm not using presets. No. We're going to use some of these bass hits and turn them into presets. That one's quite good, actually. That. Uh-oh. Why is my Facebook open? It should not be open. Right. Oh, this is going to be interesting, actually. Oh. Okay, so if you... Oh, you won't have seen this because this is coming out on my YouTube before that video comes out. The next video after this will be a video talking about what I'm doing to this patch. I don't really need to say anything else. I'll do like a really brief overview of it, but it's how I make a lot of my rollers. So, you know, I'm just going to do it and talk. I'm a bit cheeky, but you'll have to wait for the next video to come out because it's much better because it's not a challenge. I'm also trying to do this under 10 minutes, so I've got to be quick. Right, let's get a... I need my distortion rack. Edgy station. Foghorn. Yeah. This is really easy challenge. I don't know why I thought this would be a good video, but I guess it is. If you want this preset, I will maybe sell it. I need money for uni. Anyway, right. So let's go back to that pack, and we'll continue. So we've got a we have a drop now. I mean, we can't. It's just a foghorn, but we can do some more to this. The whole reason I made this video is because free sample packs are good, but you don't always have to use what's there as it is. Like, I've changed this loop a little bit. I mean, I added a shaker instead of a fucking whatever they had before. Yeah, it's just about using samples. I think a lot of, even I did it when I first started making music. I just got a sample pack and just dragged stuff straight in, didn't even really change much, and I was like, cool, this is my track. Uploaded it. Didn't really get any listens because it wasn't very original, but this was made using 100% of the pack and a bit of post, which is, you know, doesn't really count unless they put post in their pack, which I will be. Wait, what did I will be doing that in my rollers pack. There will be everything that I've used last year to make my tunes will be in that pack for you all to use. So, and you give me your money. That makes me sound like such a fucking scumbag. But obviously this is my job. I don't have any other job. So I kind of have to ask you all for money. That's just the way things go, I guess. Let's just move on with the tutorial. Right, we want to make an intro now. So I'm thinking something dark. Now they gave us a lovely length. Oh, wrong BPM. Oh no, hang on, that's fine. Okay, that doesn't work. This is in, yeah, alright, we could use this, yeah. And then what we're going to do is, just with some effects here, we're going to make this delay so that it's like, kind of, like, reggae dubsteppy. And I'm allowed to say that the way I did, because I am from the West Indies. Where's the delay gone? Oh wait, what am I doing? Stupid. Let's get the key, actually, of this. Okay. Wow, this is like really not in key at all. I'm surprised. Okay, that's better-ish. And then we're just going to drag all of this is going to come over here, and I'm going to do what I've actually done this in a tune before. You bring the drums in with no low end, like that. Kind of make it go up. And then I'll put another EQ on here, but 8 instead of 3, because I don't know, 3 is good for doing this sort of stuff, but then 8 is way more precise. You can do a lot more with 8, but yeah, that sounds right. then we just have to turn everything off now here, so that the drums actually hit properly. Okay, I don't know where my time's at. How long have we been recording this for? 10 minutes. Well, I mean, I kind of did it. I was 40 seconds over. So, God, my hair looks really bad. I didn't realise. My hair's wet. I just got out of the shower. So, I looked a bit like a melon, but it's fine. I don't care. You shouldn't really be watching my sweaty head anyway, because I'm not really like... Unless I'm actually talking to the camera, just don't look at my head. Like, that's a general rule now as a viewer. Don't look at my webcam unless I'm looking at you guys. Anyway, this is what I did in 10 minutes. I might just keep going, but not very exciting. Keep making stuff. Oh, actually, we could actually do something more with this. Forget the 10-minute shit. We're just going to keep going, because I feel like you might pick up some good techniques, even though I'm only using the pack. I'll also link the pack as well, because I've seen a lot of people use it when they first start making drum and bass, but this is kind of the right way to use it, is do make it sound different than it sounded when you first opened the pack. We need a sub. We need an 808. Now I'm gonna have to use Serum for this. Why did I do that? Oh yeah, I remember why. My very nice 808. It's probably a good time actually to promote this. If you get me to, I don't know, 100 likes on this video, I will upload my 808 pack, and I will discount it so that it only costs £1 for a day. So get this to 100, and if it gets to 100, then I will post something on my social media. So if you're not following me there, go check me out. Just literally look up Formula DMB. I'll definitely pop up on Instagram. My SoundCloud is below me, I think. Anyway, yes. But if you want this 808 rack in particular, this is separate. However, I've got an 808 pack coming out. So, God, I've spoken way too much about money in this freaking video, but anyway. Is that out of time? Oh wait, was it out? Yes, it was. Right, I don't like this kick. Where it like, wait. Oh, wait, what? That's weird. Okay, right, I see what the problem is. Let's just sort this drum loop out a bit. We could probably actually use a different drum loop from this pack, maybe, to fill in that bit there. Let's take a look. Maybe. A lot of these drums aren't actually that good. It's a free pack, so makes sense. Yeah, that sounds better with the 808 there. I think also maybe we could work with this a bit. Right, well, I mean, that's kind of the video, really. There's not a lot to rollers. And obviously, this is what the pack has given me, and I've used the pack. If you want that preset, it will be in the bio, the description on the video, and yeah. What am I doing? I just realised you guys will have seen all of that. Doesn't really matter, but now you know what projects I have. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Maybe I know it's a little bit long, this one, but yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video a little bit useful. I'm trying to upload a bit more on my channel now. Recording a lot of videos. I've recorded 3 today. They all won't come out the same day. This one's coming out before the other 2. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Like, get this to 100 likes, and I'll do what I said about the 808 pack. If you don't, then that's fine. I'll just upload the 808 pack, and if you want it, you can buy it. So yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you all in a bit. Safe.